Hey guys, Ayush here from The Tech, and today in this video we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the SanDisk Connect wireless stick. So let's quickly begin. So the packaging of the device is fairly minimal, and as you can see it is a 32 GB variant drive. Now it can connect up to 3 devices simultaneously as shown here and will work on iPhones, iPads and on any Android device. Now the price on the box is rupees 3190, but I got it from Amazon for just rupees 1850, which is nice. Now without any further ado, I'll quickly cut the box and check the device itself. So guys, this is the SanDisk Connect wireless stick. It does comes with built-in Wi-Fi and does supports USB 2.0. It runs on iOS 8 or higher and on Android version 4.2 or higher. It also runs on Windows as well as Mac OS. It does comes in 16, 32, 64, 128 and a massive 200 GB of storage capacities, which is really great. Now to turn your drive on, you have to simply press the only button on the right of the device, which is the power button, and a tiny LED on the front of the device will start blinking. Now I have got my iPhone here and I'm gonna turn its Wi-Fi on and connect it with the drive's Wi-Fi network. And to make your device run on iPhone, you have to download an app called Connect Drive from the App Store, which is of about 74 MB. Now this is what the UI of the app looks like. It does tell you some basic information. And now if I click the hamburger button, it will show some more options and also the battery info as well as the storage of both the phone and the drive, which is nice. And now if I quickly jump into the settings, you can see that you can set password for this drive, thus giving it some sort of additional security, and you can also change its name, which gives you some sort of customization. And also you can back up your contacts in this drive, which is really nice. Now to add media files into this drive, you have to simply press the plus icon and grant it the permission to access the media files. Then you can transfer your photos as well as the music and videos in it. I'm simply copying some photos into it, and before copying it will ask you for the location where you want to copy it and also to make a new folder. And as you can see, I can open my photos in the drive from my iPhone. There is a layout button here on the left of the plus button from where you can change the layout of your files into the grid or list icons. Now if you use it on an Android device, you have to follow the same steps by connecting into the drive's Wi-Fi network and download the Connect Drive app from the Play Store, which is of about 24 MB. Now, I really don't know why it takes so much space in an iPhone. And as you can see, the photos which are transferred from my iPhone are now shown in the Android device as well. And if I swipe from the left, all the options are more or less the same as the iPhone, and the settings panel is also the same. And adding files is also more or less the same by clicking the plus button. Now what I want to check is if I add a file from my iPhone, will it be shown in the other device in real time? So I am copying a pic from my iPhone to the drive. But unfortunately it failed and I had to exit the app and launch it again to see the newly added photo, which is a bummer. Now to turn your drive off, you have to simply press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds and the LED will stop blinking. Now surprisingly, when the device was disconnected, it was notified on the Android device and it closes the app, but it didn't happen on the iPhone. So the battery life of the device is quite decent. It lasted for about 4 to 5 years with a single device constantly connected, which is fairly decent. The SanDisk Connect wireless stick is really a boon for those people having limited amount of storage in their devices, like those having iPhone 16GB variant. My only disappointment with the device is its USB 2.0 port. As the price of the device is Rs 3190, it is really a bummer to have USB 2.0. So guys, there wasn't nothing much to dislike about SanDisk Connect wireless stick. If you have any questions or queries, you can drop them in the comment section below, and you can also catch us on Instagram, and you can also subscribe to us on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.